Hello, and welcome to my Pluralsight course, Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services Video Indexer API. My name's Alan Smith, and I work as a consultant for Active Solution based in Stockholm, Sweden. In this course, we're going to be gaining an understanding of using the Azure Cognitive Services Video Indexer through the API, which will allow us to automate the processing and indexing of video and audio media assets. We'll start out by taking a quick look at the features of the video indexer, looking at how transcriptions can be generated, along with identifying keywords and topics and sentiments on the media that we're indexing. We'll look at some of the more sophisticated features, such as celebrity identification, face detection, and scene analysis. We'll look in detail about how we can use the API to utilize this functionality, focusing on how we can authenticate with the service and call the various methods. We'll be demonstrating how to call the API using both C# and Python. The requirements for the course: you should have some knowledge of C# or Python programming, and you will need to have access to a video indexer account. At the time of recording the course, there are free trials that you can sign up for. For some of the demos, an Azure subscription will be required in order to store the media that we're going to be indexing in blob storage.